Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by saving your workbook and identifying volatile formulas that force frequent updates. This matters because you want a single, reliable refresh. Once saved, make sure Auto-Calculate is on under Formulas, but for a definitive refresh, you will use the manual full recalculation next. Start now. Press and hold Ctrl and Alt. You are preparing to trigger Excel's full evaluation engine. This initial setup prevents partial results and ensures the next step affects every formula consistently. You now perform the definitive refresh. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus F9 to force Excel to recalculate every formula and dependency from scratch. Once done, Excel will reevaluate all cells, including those that normally skip because dependencies seemed unchanged. This is why Ctrl plus Alt plus F9 is the only way to guarantee a full refresh. Make sure to watch the status bar for progress, and if your workbook is large, be patient. Excel is recomputing the full dependency tree to ensure correctness. You wrap up by verifying that values have changed and that charts and pivot tables reflect updated numbers. If anything remains stale, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus F9 to rebuild the dependency tree and force a comprehensive recalculation. This resolves cached dependency issues. Make sure to re-enable external links or recalculate links if data comes from other workbooks. One troubleshooting tip: if recalculation hangs, switch to manual calculation, save, close Excel, then reopen and run the full recalculation again to clear.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.